A quick dive into how to make money online, buying and selling. Boom. What are we buying? We buy bank currency. We are going to be buying dollar, doing the normal thing that a bookie do on the streets. Alright? Alright. We they buy dollar and they sell it. Now, how are we going to achieve this? Well, it's such a simple thing we'll be going to doing. Number one thing, you need a card. What type of cards do you need? You need either MasterCard or a Visa card. All right. Now, this is the first thing you have. Now, once you have this, another thing you will be needing for this project is to get your card, to get few accounts set up on your account. Says is the name of the card. I'll leave a link of this merchant on the description of this video, so just go and register on this merchant platform so that you can, this is where we will be sending our dollar. All right, now once we do this, we are going to be selling these dollars. We are going to be charged at bank rate, then we'll be sending the dollars to Binance for sale. This is the black market. We buy at bank rates. This is the secret here now. All right, so the idea is we buy at bank rates, we sell at black market rates. Right, just like any business, the idea is to buy low and sell high. Buy low using the bank currency exchanges. You buy the low amount and then you go to the black market and then you sell it high. All right, you need a Binance account. I'll also leave a link on the description of the video for you to go and register on Binance and start business right away. Okay, now if you already have a Binance account, you are good to go. But if you don't have a Binance account, let's see how much dollar worth on the Binance P2P market. All right, Binance, you can sell right now. We can sell dollars at 570 to, just call it 560. All right, 567. Let's call it 567. That's the amount we can sell dollar worth now. Now we'll be buying dollar at this bank rates 461, and then we'll be selling this same dollar at the black market rate of 567. Now if you quickly pick up your calculator, you'll be seeing that you'll be making a profit after all the charges. You'll be making a profit of not less than 70, or let's just call it, okay, just call it $70. You see, 570. Let's assume that you use the 40 naira remaining here for your transaction charges and all the rest of them, which is not even going to be up to that. You are making 70. Now assuming we make 70, assuming we make 70 naira. All right, assuming we make 70 naira, let's calculate 70 naira times on by 70 naira times, let's assume you were able to buy 96 per card. Okay, now you are going to be making 6,000 naira, but guys, I'm telling you that you are going to make more than this. All right, you are going to make more than this. Each dollar should be giving you around 80. When you multiply this 80 times 96, considering all the charges, 7,000. So what am I trying to show you guys here is that you can make money. Now let's quickly dive into business. How is this going to work? First thing first, you get your card ready depending on the bank you have, but make sure the card you have is UBA, either MasterCard or Visa card. Right, then we are going to jump straight. The first place we are going to be using the card on is on ses.io. So register your account on ses.io, a link on the description of the video. So do all the registrations and then come up for this. Now once you're here, now what you have to do is go to exchange at the go to wallet and then click on deposit, because we'll be depositing some money here. Now what currency are we going to be depositing? Dollar. All right, your bank is going to charge you dollar and they are going to credit this merchant, which is ses.io. They are going to credit ses with the equivalent amount of they are going to they credit you with the dollars you needed on this platform, assuming 96, and then they are going to charge the Naira equivalent based on their currency exchange rates, which we have here. All right, depending on the bank you're using. So you just have to know the bank rates, the rates of the bank you're using, and then you go work on that. All right, if you need a mentorship, I'm also there to mentor you, but it's not free. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop it on the comment section. I'll be glad to answer your question free of charge. All right, now let's go straight to business. When we are here now, you are going to on deposit put in the amount you are going to be 96. Why am I putting 96? Because they're going to charge about 2% fee. All right, you can even put 97. Now they're going to charge about 2% fee. Now we click on deposit. But if you have not already added your card, as you can see that I have some cards that I have already added in this place, right, which I'll be using. And you can see now, but if you don't have card, this is going to appear like this, and then it's going to request you to add card. It's so easy to add card. What they require for you is just to click on the link of add card, click on the add card button, and then you put in your card number and card expiration dates. After you are done with the card expiration dates and this, and then you get an OTP, put in the CVV, and then you get an OTP. You get an OTP, you click on proceed, get an OTP, and your card will be verified within minutes. Now, once your card is verified, you are now ready to use your card. Okay, so click on the card which you want to use. You can see that I have about how many cards here? About 4 cards here which I'm using already. Now imagine you can make some money, like say maybe 5,000, assuming 5,000, 5,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is about, depending on the number of cards is okay for you and works for you, and you are able to add, and you are making this money 5 times this. I mean, guys, you can make a lot of money. And I'm also telling you that, guys, that you can make money here. And on the mentorship class you make, if you're ready to work, you can make a minimum of 200 monthly. Okay, but that is just that for now. Let's proceed. You choose the card you want to use to buy, click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, you are depositing dollar, please. Guys, deposit either dollar, euro, GBP, or rupees. All right, forget about crypto for now. Okay, now click on USD, put in 96 or rather 97, then click on deposit. Click this and click on deposit. Now it will request you to put in the CVV. Check that the back of your card, most of them come at the back of the card. Put in the CVV of the card, and then you click on proceed. Now once you click on proceed, you get an OTP to which you are going to be putting in. I will not be doing all this. I will just try to make this video short and show you guys the major things you need to do. All right, now okay, after putting in the OTP, what next we have to do is your account will be credited. All right, within some time you get account credited. Once you are credited into the account, you now go back to the platform. All right, now you come back to the platform and just go to wallets. All right, let's go to exchange. All right, when we are on exchange, we are going, that is when we are now going to be buying crypto. What are we using? Which crypto are we buying? First of all, let's switch this over. Let's switch to dollar. All right, let's switch to dollar. Click here and change this to dollar. Okay, change this to dollar, and then put this. Okay, we are putting in 96 now plus their fee. Let's put in 94. Right, now once we put in 94, it's going to change this to XLM, Stellar Domain. Why are we choosing Stellar Lumen? We are choosing Stellar Lumen because Stellar Lumen is very cheap, have a very minimal transaction fee, okay, so that you don't get charged too much when you want to withdraw the coin. Now once this is done, you click on exchange, or you can click on this place to put in all the amount of dollar you have, and then you click on exchange. It will be exchanged to you, and then it will be credited in your wallet. All right, once you are done with that, once you're done with that, you can see that it's telling me I don't have enough balance. Minimum balance is 10. All right, this is the amount of stellar you can withdraw, amount of dollar you can exchange. All right, now once you are done with this, we can go to wallet withdrawal. Now we go to withdrawal, withdraw coin, then we look for stellar, which is this XLM stellar. Now okay, we are here now. The next thing we are going to be needing is our Binance account, because we are going to be sending this coin to Binance, this stellar which we purchased, to Binance account. Once we send it to Binance account, we can withdraw, or we can exchange it there. Okay, no much talk, let's head straight to Binance account. Binance is where we are going to now. I have a video on how to register on Binance. You can also watch that if you're having difficulty registering on Binance. All right, and also a link on the description of the video. Register your Binance account and get all the benefits that you deserve. All right, now straight to business. Look at this now. On Binance, you go to wallets on Binance because we are going to be crediting. Go to spot wallets. Now we are going to be crediting XLM. Let's search for Stellar. The XLM. Okay, Stellar. We are going to be depositing Stellar. Click on deposit to deposit, and then choose Stellar Lumen network. All right, choose Stellar Lumen network. Choose Stellar network. Choose Stellar network. Now, another thing I want you to be very much careful of here is to make sure that you put in your wallet address. Make sure that they are correct, and then you put in your memo. Copy. Click on this place to copy the wallet, and you also click on this place to copy the memo. But first of all, you copy the wallet first of all right, and go back to your Stellar account. Once you have put in the amount of Stellar you want to withdraw, make sure you choose Stellar. Assuming you are withdrawing let's say 1000 Stellar Lumen. If you're withdrawing 1000 Stellar Lumen, you can see that this particular thing here, this particular coin here, the transaction fee is very small. All right, very, very small, that is almost negligible. Now you select Stellar Lumen. Please make sure you choose the network carefully. Stellar Lumen is the same network that we are choosing in the Binance. All right, Stellar Lumen network is what we choose on Binance, and that is what we are also going to be choosing here. So be very mindful of this so that you won't lose your coin. Now, once you are done with that, you put in the amount of coin you want to withdraw. Let's say 1000, and then you come down to this place. You see that fee is very small. So now you come down to this place and click enter recipient address. Now you enter on the recipient address. You will see a space where you will be given the option to put in your wallet address, which is the Binance address, and then your memo address. Put in your memo address there on the space provided after you have clicked on this particular link. All right, now once you have done that, the next thing you are going to be doing is come to Binance account. On Binance account, what do you have to do? Let's go back and change this Stellar Lumen. We are going to be changing this Stellar Lumen. Okay, let's just go back complete. All right, go back to here, come to this place and search for XLM in the wallets. All right, XLM. Click on XLM, and then you are going to be changing your XLM to USDT. Click on this particular place where you have XLM/USDT. XLM/USDT. Now you are going to be putting in all the amounts of XLM you have deposited into your account. Assuming you deposited 100, or you can just click on this 100% button here. All right, so that all your XLM account will be all your XLM coin will be converted. Now you click on buy. All right, but I will advise you to choose market so that it goes immediately. Market order. All right, now so that you just put in all, and then you choose on buy XLM. Once you do that, your XLM coin will be changed to USDT. Now once that is done, the next thing for you to do is move straight to P2P trading. Go to P2P trading. All right, first of all transfer the coin. To transfer the coin, guys, we come to this place and click on transfer this coin, and then we are going to be choosing from spot wallet to funding wallet. Now once that is done, click on this place and choose USDT. All right, click maximum so that you move all your coin from spot wallet to this place. Now once that is done, you click on transfer, confirm transfer. Your coin will be transferred. Now the next thing is to go to P2P, Binance P2P, and click on sell. Once you click on sell, you put in the amount. Choose the currency first of all. If you choose the currency, if your currency is not changed to Naira, change it to Naira. Click on this place and choose the NGN, and then change the coin to that amount. Change your currency to Naira. Then click on this place and then put in something like, let's say 100, 10,000, and click on bank transfer so that you get a bank transfer. All right. Now click on yes, and then your coin, you look for someone that want to sell up to that amount you have, and then you click on sell. Once you have clicked on sell, the next thing for you to do, you can either choose to sell all your coin, and then you click on this place to choose your bank which you want the person to pay you, and you click on sell. Now this person have to pay you. Once you have been paid, you make your money and go straight to business. But if you're having problem on this P2P, just comment on the comment section P2P, and I will drop a video on how you can do your P2P trading with ease. Okay, now that will be all for now. But one important thing I want you to know, that I'll be dropping a very wonderful video after this. But just click on the subscribe button, subscribe to this channel, and then hit the notification bell so that I will have to send you a message, all right, that I have when I release the video on how you can make huge amount of money. Also, there is a free class there is a class that is paid, guys. You have to pay for my mentorship if you want it. All right, just drop on the comment sections and I will put you through on some things and teach you on how you can make a minimum of 200,000 Naira every month. And that will be all. Until I come your way again, just subscribe and keep making money. Don't complain, just make money. Love you all. Remain blessed.